Hello friends, we will make omelette together. We start with the first self-introduction.
Hi, my name is Aulia Zahra Maulida, number 3.
Hi, my name is Iqbal Nurul Umam, number 12.
Hi, my name is Rian Farisa Akmal, number 26.
Hi, my name is Izela Olilovinia, number 30.
To make omelette, the material used is instant noodles, 2 eggs, some water, noodle seasoning. Use a stove, pan or frying pan, spatula, bowl, spoon, plate. Step: first, boil the water until it boils. Second, put instant noodles and white until cooked. Next, leave and drain. After that, add cooked noodles to the bowl. Break the egg into a bowl. Pour the seasoning noodle. Sprinkle the noodles. Heat the oil in the frying pan. After that, fry the noodles until brown. Drain and place it on the plate. Add the tomato sauce. Add the omelette. Enjoy it.